Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix sleep mode not working in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the clock app. Now click on clock app and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of clock app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset, and here you can see the option reset phone. Now click on phone and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.